Hello guys, I hope you all are doing great. As you all know that we are going to start with a CS Professional Group 2 Marathon series from tomorrow. The day will be like 7th November. We are going to start with SACDD first and we are going to end by CRI by 15th November. So all the days from 7 to 15, almost 9 days will be covering the marathon series. What you have to do, you just have to attend, like that's it. Mark my word, this marathon series will change your entire perspective related to past examination questions practice plus theoretical discussion about all the major concepts, right? So I have designed in such a way that this marathon series will not be like normal line by line discussion of the concepts. I have arranged in a way that all the past examination question will be discussed, right? All the most important technical words, how the questions are coming, how should we present, and the detailed question bank will be presented to you in the live class. I'll be sharing that once we start with the marathon. That will be given in the description. Tomorrow you will be getting the SACDD, means secretarial audit compliance and due diligence part. Will take 3 days. The marathon series will start from early morning 9 a.m. Will start 9 a.m. Then will continue for part A, part B, part B almost, means 20 chapter we have to complete. So tentatively we'll start tomorrow part B. Then part B will take almost 2 days and part A will complete on the 9th of November. Accordingly, the same way will complete with RCD, then CRI part B, CRI part A. So I hope the plan is clear. The timing is 9 a.m. sharp. Every single day we are going to meet for group 2. I just hope that this 9 days will definitely give you all the insights about the past exam question and your preparation. And whatever the study will be, आज तक आपने जैसे भी पढ़ाई किया होगा, mark my words, definitely this will help you. आपको अभी तक आपके जो जो इंपॉर्टेंट कंसेप्ट्स है वो आपके रिवाइज हो चुके रहेंगे सेल्फ लेवल पे, बट व्हेन यू गो विद द पास्ट एग्जामिनेशन क्वेश्चन, आई हैव कवर्ड ऑल द वेराइटी ऑफ क्वेश्चन लाइक मीडियम वन, स्मॉल वन, मींस द ट्रिकी वन आल्सो and the most easiest one also, so that you'll get a brief idea how institute is working with the paper pattern. So everything will be clear, and I have already segregated all the chapter wise questions, so it will help you when it comes to revision. And after the marathon series you can attend the detailed marathon which I have already taken for the June attempt. That link also I'll be giving in the, I'll be posting in the comment section plus description section, so you can watch it whenever you want. So detailed marathon which I have already taken for June, that you can refer. If you have already completed, then best welcome for the question answer marathon. And if you have not yet completed, तो प्लीज वॉच इट. जब भी आपको टाइम मिले प्लीज आराम से, बाद में भी देखा तो भी चलेगा, बट कल से मार्क माय वर्ड्स 100% डेट टाइम फिक्स कर लो. मॉर्निंग 9 AM आना है एवरी सिंगल डे. नेक्स्ट 9 days विल बी डिवोटेड ओनली फॉर ग्रुप 2. थैंक यू सो मच. सी यू देयर.